But it means that the overall volume of the shirts in storage is scaled down to less than half of what they originally began with. Or in other words, 9 out of 10. Some of my favorite home finds lately. Oh, that's cool. It's like a vertical waffle maker. That's quite a good idea. So this is like a cocktail glass that constantly stirs your drinks and then keeps telling you the next thing you have to put in. It does seem like a cool way to make a cocktail. Does the fact that it's constantly mixing actually help you with something? Well, this is really doing it for me. Anything involving brightly colored cocktails, sign me up. So you get a glass, you get a base. It feels a little bit cheap and cheerful, but I'm enjoying it. And then here's what the TikTok was really excited about. It comes with an app that tells you exactly what to put in to make the drinks you want to make. So you find a drink you like the look of and you click craft. Oh gosh, Bluetooth connection issues to my glass. This is how you know it's 2023. So it says place glass, it's spinning. So it's telling me pour lemonade until the coaster turns green. It's filling up on the side. That is actually so cool. And now it's changed to add ginger ale. It is a little sad looking. It's not like you actually need to stir lemonade on its own. We will follow the recipe